Dance with George is a very new, ambitious company. We are located in Munich, Germany, and we are working here for 3 years already. Even though it's kind of a new school, we have a lot of clients, especially students, and we focus a lot on salsa, bachata and kizomba courses. We also do activities like flash mobs, we dance a lot at the parties, we do a lot of extra activities related to dance courses, and we are focusing hopefully in the future also in dance travel, not just dance courses. And the most important thing about Dance with George, it is the fact that we are very close to our clients, and we teach first of all the joy of dance and then the technique behind it. Our teachers are very young and very energetical, very happy to do what they're doing. What we do at Dance with George, we don't put a lot of emphasis on the levels. So for example, when we do our parties, we do a lot of parties where everybody, all the students and all the clients of Dance with George meet themselves, advanced people with intermediate people with beginners, to have fun, to be as creative as you can and adapt your style of dancing and your technique to the level that somebody has. You don't need to bring a partner, you can register without a partner. We bring partners to our courses, so each time we have a course we get the registrations and then we see how many people we have. It's very important to make it very fun. What if you're nervous? Actually everybody's nervous when they try to dance. This is typical, it's something new, some people are afraid of it, some people are happy to learn it. People react in different ways. But if they go happy and smiling at home, that's mission accomplished. Even if they learn just 1 or 2 steps. Dancing is one of the healthiest hobbies you can have. It's good for the soul, it's good for the body. You meet people, you can express yourself, you can be creative. It's perfect.